Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Legacy Pose. Legacy poses are special character animations or stances that often signify a past achievement or limited time content within a game. They add a unique flair to your character. Obtaining these poses usually involves specific in-game challenges, quests, or participation in special events. Sometimes, they can even be found in the game's item shop for a limited duration. Let's dive into the details. Before you begin your quest, it's crucial to determine if the legacy pose you want is currently available. Always check the official game announcements, recent patch notes, or active community forums for the most up-to-date information. Many legacy poses are tied to specific in-game events, seasonal updates, or even character progression milestones. Knowing its availability will save you valuable time and effort in your pursuit. There are several common ways to acquire a legacy pose. Often, players earn them by successfully completing specific in-game quests or challenges. Some poses are rewards for achieving a certain rank or score in competitive game modes. Additionally, you might find certain legacy poses available for purchase in the in-game store using virtual currency. Always keep an eye out for limited-time events, as these frequently offer exclusive pose rewards. To maximize your chances of getting a legacy pose, prioritize quests or events that clearly state the pose as a reward. Joining an active in-game community or guild can provide invaluable assistance and shared knowledge. It's also wise to save your in-game currency, as some highly sought-after poses might appear in the store. Finally, remember to be patient. Many legacy poses eventually reappear in future game updates or events.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.